Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video on how you could draw symmetrically and evenly with the holding down the Shift key when you're using your shape tool. And then now this one is a bit of how you're going to draw a little bit different and evenly with the Control key. So I've got a rectangle here. I'm going to go up to a range. I'm going to convert it to a curve. I'm going to take my shape tool and I'm going to lasso everything. And I'm going to go up here, I'm going to add nodes, and it's added a node in between all the other nodes. Now, if you lasso these two nodes and hold down your control button will keep you from going up and down. It won't stop you, but there's actually a little click. And you could draw stuff like that by holding down the control button because you're moving them both at the same time. If you don't hold down your control button, you're just moving one. So this is pretty cool, and you click all that and actually hold the control button back, and you could create shapes like that. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.